Tibetan hot sauce known as Sepen in Tibetan, which often served with steaming hot momos or any Tibetan food. It's very spicy hot condiments that drain your eyes and nose. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to my channel and do share my cooking videos. Let's see the ingredients. Thinly sliced onion, sliced tomato, scallions, leaves of coriander, garlic, dried red chillies, sesame seeds, vinegar, salt and white oil. Into a pan, take 1 tablespoon of white oil, heat the oil, add 5 to 6 roughly chopped garlic, saute for 1 minute on low flame. Now add 2 medium-sized thinly sliced onions, fry them for 1 minute. We have many dipping sauce and condiments recipes in my channel, so you can also check them out. Now add sliced tomatoes. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cook for 2 minutes. This sauce exists in both thick and chunky versions as well as smooth ones. Now add 6 to 8 soaked dry red chillies. I soak them for 20 minutes. Saute them for 1 minute or half. Now add scallions, handful of coriander leaves and dry roasted and grinded sesame seeds. Mix them nicely. Scallions are a variety of young onions that has small white bulb and long green stalks. It also referred to as green onions and spring onions. Add salt to taste and half cup of water. Mix them well. So make sure when you make this sauce, all the windows of your kitchen are open. And cover the pan and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Now open the lid and give a good mix. As you can see, tomatoes are nicely done. Cool it down completely and now put this into a blender jar. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and make a fine paste. But careful, when you open the lid of the jar, then you can smell the actual spiciness of the sauce and do not touch with your hand. Now you can see the texture, it's really thick. The Tibetan hot sauce is ready. Serve with steaming hot momos and also you can try with roasted veggies. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, which you are forgetting nowadays, to subscribe to my channel and share my cooking videos. Thank you. Bye.